So yo, what's up, guys? Unmade by. It's clear now, guys. Yeah. So yo, what's up, guys? My name is Akshit, and welcome back to a new video. I said I did not show you the puppy. I forgot, and now I'll show you. It is here and it's playing. Buddy. See, guys, Rottweiler puppy. Let's come back. Rottweiler. Female Rottweiler we kept it on our farmhouse. It is there here. It will be there only, and now only milk we are keeping. Morning to evening 4 times it will drink milk, 5 to 6 times. Now teeth also has been come, so to handle it, it's very gone off. We are dead, guys. And guys, it is going down, so we'll leave it there in our garden. So guys, I said that I'll give a giveaway if you want to participate in the giveaway of puppy, which I showed you in the last video. Small puppies. Now this much only there. 1 month, 16 days or else 15 days. On December 16 they have been born. If you want to participate in the giveaway, just follow my Instagram ID. I'll give in the description box. And one more, subscribe my channel. So in 1-2 days it can be there. And now we'll do the first dry bath of it. I'll get and show what is the dry bath which I use. 2 times already it did with the fog of the dry bath. Aloe vera smell it's coming. 1 time only we did. Hey guys, that's much clean. Today we took it for walking. My friend's dog has been came. They both played and it fell in the mud. So that is morning 6 p.m. was 7:30 a.m. and now I have to go to school. So fast we'll do dry bath, and I need to go and bring the dry bath. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. And guys, now I'll leave the cam and let me set it. And guys, this is the dry bath which I use. Fresh me up of cats and dogs. You can check. It's 180 ml. 180 ml, 300 rupees, 350 rupees. And guys, now let's go and bring it. It's playing there. How to use dry bath, I see, guys. First, let me keep our puppy here. Hey! And guys, this is our puppy. Hey, stay. Spidey! I kept its name as Spidey. So, Rottweiler. So, it will be. Till here, only we have to make it do bath. And see, guys. Hey! Till here, we have to make it do bath. And how we have to do, I'll show. It is biting so much too. 1 minute, guys. And guys, we need to tie this or else it will run like this. So after tying, I will come near you. Hey, see, guys. See, guys, Kusti started. Now I'll show you some. See, guys. See, guys, how it is playing. If I keep camera front of it, it will be silent. And guys, I'll tie it over here, and after that I will meet you. And guys, after tying, it is sitting here. So now let's continue the video. Hi, and guys, now we have to how to use the fresh bath with dry bath. It have some tag also, see, guys. pet friendly. Pet friendly, guys. Lara, itra. Spidey, come. First we have to, it will have a fog only, guys, like this. And we have to take it and we'll pull Spidey now. We'll bring Spidey. And we have to take this and apply on it, and we have to do like this so that nicely it will apply, stay. And this handling before camera means how means, guys, it will run like hell. See, guys. Regular videos will come about Spidey, guys. Regular that I'll give on Sundays and Saturdays only. I'll make the videos. See, guys. Nicely we'll rub, and this side also we have to rub. Hey, catch this, guys. Or else, guys, one more method we have. See, guys, you can apply on this like this. Ayyo. After that, we can do with your hand also. It is for us also friendly because it have aloe vera content in that. You can see purely he gave aloe vera, and they gave here some which are not used, like harsh chemicals are not used in this. We can keep to face also if you want. After on Sunday, tomorrow we'll go to Sunday is tomorrow only, guys. And this video is uploaded on Saturday. Saturday morning I am shooting at 7 o'clock. Or when we'll go to injection also, we'll make one vlog. See, vaccination. Hey! After that, now turn it and catch its body and remove its head like this back, guys. And we have to apply. We have to catch its legs, head, and everything. Hey! See, See, guys, how it is running. That's why now I'll use this. Bought up, guys. Bought him. And now let's apply fastly, or else it will run from here. See, guys, it started again. Aye. See, guys, after tying also it is not being at one place. Now 2 legs at a time we'll do, like Ira, Spidey. For leg most it will say, guys. See, guys, see how it's running, guys. It's running like hell. Now this side, guys. And hey, no. Emendra, Spidey. Now I'll apply with my hands here, because now I am going to apply on ears. That's it, guys. Only now legs more. I'll apply with my hands only. See, yes, like this. It will be wet, guys. Wet for 2 or 3 minutes, 3 seconds only. This much only for enough for leg, guys. See, no back side legs. Hey! You are thinking that why are you making the puppy this much strain? Because it's any infection will be there, means it will go with this. The doctor said, doctor not pet shop owner said that if any puppy get any infection, we go to doctor. He suggest this only. Aloe vera content that is there, having aloe vera content. That's why I am forcing this, or else it will play with me now for 1 day 2 days it will not play with me now. And after that we have to last guys, 1 second, last second guys, last on its tail, and done guys. Now let us fresh it with its towel. This is only its towel guys. Now wait, let's at least now I'll remove how we'll play. I'll show you. My brother is sleeping now. I have to go to school, so I wake up this much morning. Also till 9 o'clock. Also I used to sleep. Everyone is sleeping 9 o'clock nowadays. Like this, once if we do, the wet content what is there in the body will come back outside. See guys, here more wet is there, that's why I am using the cloth. The legs we applied more. And guys, we made the puppies. Its aloe vera smell is coming. If you want to take it, go to any pet shop and ask we fresh me up aloe vera content puppies and cats, for dogs, cats and puppies for all breeds. It's very nice. Daily uses also you can keep. It will be hygienic. We are using daily. 1 week it is tomorrow means it will complete 1 week by coming tomorrow evening. I'll make a video tomorrow also. It will upload on day after tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video guys, and bye. Say bye Spidey. Bye bye. Bye guys. Bye. And lastly I'll show my puppy Rottweiler guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.